When someone says Sunset World, I think of turquoise water, great activities, and a fun vacation.
We get on that plane and we're heading here. The anticipation kills us.
It's the most important thing in our life at this point.
Divertirnos en familia, pasar unos días maravillosos, la verdad.
You have friends, you have family around. This is paradise.
Just being able to spend time coming to this fantastic place and relaxing, but more important, the adventure of it all.
Las vacaciones sacan lo mejor de ti y eso es lo que te hace ser distinto, más proactivo, más feliz.
It's just impressive. Everybody's with a smile, treating you like you're a queen and a king. You feel so important. It's beautiful.
The people make you feel like family and not a guest.
Te hacen sentir único. Sientes que los conoces de toda la vida y la calidad humana que tienen es increíble.
I've seen an evolution in Sunset World, and it just gets better and better and better. It's a special place.
They take it to another level. We said, we got to be a part of this.
Cancun is an incredible place. It has something for everyone, from nature experiences to cultural experiences, incredible adventures that nowhere else on earth you can see.
The idea of Sunset World means I have a choice, and there's many, many places here in Cancun.
Each property offers something different, and they're all wonderful.
Sunset Royal is a beautiful property, beachfront, in the best part of Hotel Zone.
Royal Sunset tiene la playa más bonita de toda la zona hotelera de Cancún.
Me tiro en el sillón y contemplo la playa, contemplo el mar. O si no, estar ahí adentro en las olas, saltando en las olas, me encanta.
Sunset Fisherman's Resort is truly unique. It's intimate. Nightlife is 10 minutes away, and if you walk to town, there are not many resorts where you look out your window and see the ocean 50 feet away. It's a terrific resort.
Sunset Marina is our Mediterranean-style resort on the lagoon. It has a beautiful marina, all the water sports fun that you could have. It's a really private, comforting place to be. Then we have Hacienda Tres Rios, our premier resort nestled in the nature park.
There's this long, winding road and you're coming in to the gates.
Then it just opened up to this beautiful place of paradise.
Everything that you see around you is natural.
For everybody that comes with us, it has the same wow factor.
As a family, you can do things together in the nature.
La integración que tiene con el ecosistema y con toda la naturaleza es lo que más disfrutamos como familia.
My sons loved the cenotes. The day was perfect. All the light going through the water, you were able to see to the bottom. This is something that I will never forget.
It's very important to us to be authentic. Mexican culture is so embracing, it's so warm, and it really makes us different.
I look forward for all the hospitality that you have around.
The food is incredible.
We love all the different choices.
The art, the creations, it's just impressive.
Bueno, la mesa del chef yo la llamo como un momento mágico y trato de abarcar todos los restaurantes en una sola cena.
We are delighted being served by the chef. A very special experience, quite unique.
This is actually the most elegant dinner experience I've ever had.
You have the Mexican friendliness and how they want you to have a good time.
So it feels like they're there just for you.
And it's refreshing for people to remember you.
El trato es personalizado, de todas maneras, es increíble.
They give you enough activities that adults and kids can do. We're like, look at this, they got stuff for everyone.
They have activities at night, they have parties for kids.
You can meet lots of new friends here.
So much excitement, so much color, so much celebration of Mexico.
We love to dance, be in paradise and meet some new people. Doesn't get any better than that.
The girls, it's all about being sisters and enjoying the moment.
It's amazing how adventurous they have been. It's like pushing the little birds out of the nest and off they go.
We really enjoy getting into the real Mexican adventures.
La tirolesa, bastante emocionante. Yo pensé que nada más iban a ir los niños, ¿no? Cuando mi madre dijo, yo también, todos nos quedamos, wow.
Pues yo les quise demostrar a los niños que no había miedo. Disfrútalo, sé feliz, porque la felicidad no la vas a alcanzar mañana. Es ahorita y en el momento.
We went to this place called Xochimilco. It's like having a fiesta on a boat. You just throw your inhibitions into the river and start dancing.
Hemos ido a Cocobongo, que es una discoteca espectacular. Hay un show increíble, ¿no? Una puesta en escena que de verdad te quedas anonadado.
We already have a story here. So it's not just another place for vacation. The kids, they have been growing here. That connection is amazing.
Everything here is set up to be able to just relax and spend time together. And I think that's the draw that keeps us coming back. Los momentos de traer a mi hija son muy importantes. Verla crecer y ver cómo ella disfruta, eso me llena de mucho orgullo, de mucha alegría.
The fact that I get to do all these things in the time of my life is something that we will treasure.
And when you go to beautiful places to see what life is about actually and to enjoy that.
I can look back and show my children that these are the great moments in life.
You get the same feeling as when you're sitting in front of the Christmas tree. You know, that good warm feeling like you're in a good place.
Our twins turned 10. We asked them if they wanted to go to Disney or if they wanted to come here, and it was a unanimous, they wanted to come here.
Right here is where my heart is, and I just feel closer to the things that mean a lot to me. You can't describe it.
It's just really awesome.